Hi everybody, it's Carol and I'm back again in my horizontal planner and I am decorating January 29th through February 4th. And I have stickers here that I have gotten off Amazon, and this is how they came. This is the package and the packaging. And these are the stickers. They're a very thin paper, but I just love them. And I have used them before, like, as you can tell, half of these are gone, but I really wanted to bring them into my horizontal planner and also incorporate them with, this is the big grand stickers, and these are Happy Planner Teeny Florals. So what I'm thinking is I would love to bring in, if I could find them, yeah, these here, like these big long washi strips, and put them, because I have 6 of them here, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I can just lay them down and go from there. I do not have a plan on what to do. I'm going to leave the bottom, I don't know. I could put it down the bottom. I may do that, put it down the bottom, and I think this is just the perfect size. I'm going to go inside the black line, so I have a guide, and I put it down crooked. Without pulling it too tight. Oh, it's just short of the sticker right there, but I'll put something down there. So let's see, maybe I'll do the blue one. I wish they had more of these. I think I'll put the blue one down, but I'm going to start over here at the end. Oops. It'll be easier or nicer on the eyes to see it over there, not on there, or whatever. Okay, let's see if I do the pink one next. Okay, let's see. Well, look at this. I have 2, and I have 1 left for this side. I'm not thinking the right way. My original thought was I'm going to have to put something else on the bottom. I'm going to have to use this one if I could get it up. No, it's ripping, so you're there. You're going to stay there. We're going to have to make do. Oh, maybe I'll do 2 blue and a pink, the opposite. On this side, and I might as well stay the same. Same kind of theme. Oops. Oh my gosh, what is wrong? I can't get these laid down evenly. Sometimes you can have a plan in your head and think, oh, this is what I'd like to do, but you know, it doesn't always turn out that way. It doesn't always turn out that way. Prime example over here. So let's get this blue in here, and then I'll think of what I'm going to do for that. I think there's quite a few washi strips in here. Okay, so here we are. goes this way. So I think I'm going to start incorporating some of these things. My thought when I was doing this is I really want to put this up there. I just think that's beautiful. So I'm going to do that. I wish there was a second one. And like I said, this is very thin. It's going to be so hard. Okay. I hope it doesn't rip by sticking to my fingers. I think I'm going to stick it on here first. It helps with aligning it, plus it takes some of the sticky off. But that does look so pretty. I won't have one for the other side, but that's okay. Let's see if I can. At least get the top. Okay. And this one here, let's see, I have 2 sheets of these. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. This one here looks a little darker though. Oh, because they're different flowers. I'm going to put this one on this side. I'm going to put these big stickers down first, if I can get them up. This paper is so thin. This is the kind of sticker that once you put down, you'll never get back up without ripping it in a million pieces. Okay, let's see. I want to see what I have here to work with. I love these. I just want to lay them all down. Okay, I think I'm going to put this one there and this one here because it's the same, almost the same, not quite, but I'm going to do it. Whoops. And this one here, I'm going to put right over there. And then I'll put a piece of washi underneath it. Maybe even a box. Oh, I think this flower, this branch just ripped off, but that's okay. We'll get it back on. Okay, where's that little branch? Right there. Good as new. Okay, let's see. I think this one here, I'm going to put Okay, this sheet is finished. All finished. Okay, now this one here. Okay, I'm going to put this. They're so hard to get up. Put that there. And then we have this big flower. I'm going to put it there. Look how nice that. This one is finished. Now these are other ones. They were in a different pack. And they kind of, you know, they kind of go. I mean, flowers are all different colors, right? So I just love them. I really want to use all these paper stickers here. I love the birds on here, and this is the only one with the birds. And then we have these here, different kind of branches and leaves and flowers. And this one here is feathers and branches. And these three came together. These three here. See, because you have the color inside the, this here matches these here. But I also want to bring in some boxes from here. When I glanced through it very quickly, I thought some of them matched. Oh, but it's trying to find the ones that match now. And then what I love about this book here is these here. They do have smaller ones. And I like to use them as like washi, like this, like a ground cover. We also have these here. Here, these are smaller ones. So I can use these. Oh, I just love these birds. And you know, this horizontal layout here has lines on it. So if I write in it, I can always use that. So maybe I won't even put boxes. Maybe I'll just put like the ground covering. I really love this here. They're washi strips. I use them as ground covering. Where should I put these birds? Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. You know what? I'm just gonna. Okay, so we have bird here. Probably should have him sitting on some kind of a branch or something. Look at this, a pussy willow branch. So pretty. Oh, let's see. Maybe those small little this here. How many birds do I have? I have 2 birds. Okay, so I'm going to cut this in half. Put you there. We're going to put the bird sitting on here. I have to put it down gently because, like I said, it's a very thin paper. Oh, look how pretty. So I have that bird there. And I'm going to put this bird. Let me get the bird off first. Whatever this is here, that looks like a branch. I could put the bird on here. very carefully. Oh, isn't that oh, they're on the same line. Oh well, that's why I wanted to put them here, but when I saw I had more room, that's okay. That doesn't matter. It doesn't bother me. Okay, let's see what we have over here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put down, some pretty flowers here. And this may just be I think I'm just going to lay these things down, and I'm not going to worry about putting boxes in here. I'm going to cover this end up. Oh, so pretty, so pretty. And then we have just trying to see this flower here where I could put it, and you can see through this. So this is going to be just like kind of like a floral layout. And I'm going to have it coming right from here. Oops. I better just move it over a little bit because let's see if we have that there, or we can put this there. This looks like, is that a beehive? I don't know if that's a beehive or what that is. It looks like a beehive. Let's see, I can put that, I'm going to put it right there, but I don't like the way the bottom of it is pointy. So I'm going to cut this. Oops, I'm going to move it over a little bit and straighten it out. Oops. Oh, that's looking so pretty. Okay. I'm just going to put these flowers down and around because I think it's just gorgeous. I think I'm going to put this one right up there. Let's see. Not that way. This way? I don't think I like that little thing hanging down, so I think I'm going to cut that off. It's probably a little branch, but I don't like the way it looks. So I'm going to cut that off. And this one here, I think I'm going to put that right over here. And then we have, do we have, no, where's this flower? I know, I thought I had this one somewhere. That's the same color over there. I could put this over here. I thought I had one that I put down there already. Oh, this is so pretty. And you know what? It doesn't even need boxes. I wouldn't even put boxes on here. Not with these florals. I want to put it directly underneath there. Where else could I put this? I could put it here. I could put it here. I think I'm going to put it. I think I'm going to put it here. Okay, and then I'm going to put these around, and then I think that's going to be it. I wonder, where am I going to put this little purple flower? I'm just loving this. Do I like it mixed in with that? Or how about there as a little cluster over here? I like that. Doesn't give me much room, but I like that cluster right there. Oh, that looks so pretty. And then I have this little guy. I have this little guy. Where are we going to put you? Just a little one. Just a little one. Oh my goodness. Just this one little flower where I can put, oh, I could put him right here. And it's so heavy over here, and this one here, I think it needs something. I think I'm going to put it here, and then I am going to see if maybe I can get these in here somehow. I'm sorry, I had to put you on pause because Stella she needed some attention. So I guess I'm not going to use this. I'm going to put this back here. And I'm thinking if I should stop or continue to put a couple of other things. Oh, that looks pretty over there. I could put one there. Oh, when will I stop? When will I stop? I think I'm going to put this there. I probably should be stopping right now, but oh my gosh, I just loving the way this is turning out. And you know, these stickers are so fun to play with. All right, I'm going to bring this in here, that little cluster. The little green, it's going to remind me of that. Or should I just bring in this one that's not so heavy? I can bring that one. Or I should just leave it. Oh my gosh, I can't make up my mind. Trying to think if I want to bring this in here. Okay, I think I'm going to bring this one here, and then these two I'm going to bring in and put, I don't know, and then I'm going to stop. But I think it's going to be pretty. I think it's going to be pretty. Okay, that looks nice. And then, oh my gosh, I don't know if this is going to be too big. Let me see if I can get this there and that there. So if I put these two over there and I can cross them a little bit and then put that flower in the middle of it, and it'll be something like that. So hard to get up. And they rip so easy. Okay, let's see. Now, how did I want to do this? Like this? It's going to go over into my pink flowers. I don't know how well this is going to turn out. Maybe I should. Okay, I'm going to cut these flowers, or that branch off right there. Actually, I'm going to cut this one off too. Okay, so I have to use this one here, and I have to cut it up like the other one. Okay, let's see, how does this go now? It's gonna have to go this way. To cut that off. Hope I'm cutting off the right pieces. Okay. Oops. Okay. Now that was something. Let's see if it's gonna match. Oh, it's higher up. And then I could put this in the middle of it. But I'm liking it. I like these stickers. I really do love these stickers. Okay, let me put that book away. Okay, I don't know. I'm thinking maybe I need something down here, which could just be as simple as just putting just a couple of these little stickers down, although I do have one circle one there, so I probably should find a place on the other side. Oh my gosh, these stickers, trying to get them off. Just so that's not so bare looking. Now this one here I could I stick it there, or is it going to be overcrowded? I can stick it right there. So this way there's circles on both. Okay. I really like the cluster I have there. Didn't I put one somewhere else? Oh, that's really clustery over there. I could put this one over here. And maybe this with that. Or maybe this one here. Oh, that does look pretty. That does look pretty. And what did I say? This one here, I should have brought it down further. Is there something, maybe if I put that underneath it? Or that underneath it? Am I missing a color over here? All right, I'm going to put this one underneath it because I don't have this anywhere on the page. Oh my gosh, there's got to be an easier way. Okay, here we go. And I don't want to pull too hard because it'll rip. This is so paper thin. Okay, so I like that on the bottom. And here's a few more that I'm just going to, I don't want to bring those in. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. This looks really good. I'm loving this. And, you know, I'm not sure that I'm going to even write in here. If I do, I have a lot of lines, a lot of spaces to write in there. And so, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. And you have a good day, and we'll talk next video. Bye-bye.